Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer for pressure washers, cleaning equipment, parts and accessories. Here we have the ever popular Karcher C-Clip hose. Now it's important if you've got a Karcher machine, because there's a few different types of connectors to connect into your trigger gun. So say this is a C-Clip. You'll notice there's a couple of lugs either side of the actual bayonet, and they lock into the trigger gun. Now the trigger guns, there's two different types. This particular one, the C-Clip, has a C-Clip. It's a black C-Clip that locks in place and locks the hose in place. So I'm going to put that into position for you now. The easiest way of doing it is remove the black C-Clip and literally just push the hose tightly into the trigger gun. Put the C-Clip in place, and then you can just clip it into place, and that's now locked into place. On the other end of the hose, this one's got a M22 screw thread connector, so that will screw onto the front of your pressure washer. And again, it's worth checking, just make sure that the front of your pressure washer has a male screw thread connection. If yours hasn't, if it's got a bayonet connection, you don't want this hose. So it's an M22 screw thread on the front of your pressure washer, and the C-Clip with the black C-Clip into your trigger gun. We do this hose in quite a few different sizes, different lengths. We do it in a 6 metre, an 8 metre, a 10, a 15, a 20 and a 25 metre length. The hose is a heavy duty reinforced braided hose, and it's rated up to 180 bar pressure. So that's going to suit all your domestic Karcher K-series machines. And that's the Karcher C-Clip high pressure hose.